Yep, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, whether you want to or not. Because got to get tires mounted. Got them unmounted. Now we just got to mount them back. Put a little lube on there. These were the best things I bought from Harbor Freight in a long time. They help a lot. Put a little lube on this rim right here. Make that thing slide on there a little bit easier. See that? See that? Get this thing positioned. Then we get the tire like we want it on there. And then, but first, we need to put a new valve stem in it. Can't go without a new valve stem. That'd be a useless trip. Yes. All this is old school way, guys. But it still works. That valve stem in there. Get it threaded on there good. Pull it until you click. There it is. Everybody's probably saying, why don't you just take them and have them mounted? Well, I ain't got that kind of money right this minute. And we in crunch mode. So we're going to try to get this thing on. Like so. You don't got to work with it. That's why they got hooked ends on here. You hook that bad boy in there. Get on it. Alright. Hook in. He wants to fight. But that's alright. We'll get it hooked in there. And there it is. That's that side. That's the easy side. Now, get on her. Find your hook again. And start working. You work it. Work it. Work it. Get in there. There it is. Not too bad. Harder to get them off than it is to get them on. But now, had to get them off these old rusty guys right here. Yeah, I think we're going to cheat a little bit on this one since I got the equipment to do it with and to do it easy. You know, you're fighting trying to get that thing to seat. Might as well use what I got and let it do what it do. no use of fighting that thing. It's a pretty big gap. Yeah, we could bounce it up and down, put a strap around it and all that great crap. But why in the world you want to do that when you got a cannon right here? We got a bazooka. Yeah, we're gonna blast that thing with it. Make it a whole lot easier than fighting it. Just pull the trigger and let it go. We're using fighting this thing. Heck no. I ain't fighting it. Used to back in the day, but I learned better. This thing blast that thing right on up on it. Yeah. Let's see what we can do, accomplish here. That was too easy. Look at that. Pop, boom, bang. That thing on there. When I made this cannon, big old cannon right here, got to have a big cannon for it. Then you gotta roll it off. Boom! Place it out. This thing get ready to put this thing on there. Over there. Yeah, boy. What you talking about? Yeah, I'm cheating. Look here. Yeah. Yeah, all cool tunes in the bottom. Yeah. All cool tunes. Let me know how much air pressure. Next. Let's see what we got so far. I think we got a wee bit much here. We want to let some out. Yeah, boy. Easy peasy. Well, I'll be back with y'all guys. I'm going to put this bad boy on where it goes. Ain't no use to working too hard with it. Got it done. Bam.